pitching these to you or to the audience?
To the audience.
Okay.
Guys, try and sell it. Try and figure out what it is and try and sell it.
Okay. Are your boobs super far apart? This is a very common problem that is not being addressed. There are women whose breasts are very, very far apart. And no one has made a perfect bikini top for them. So if you're someone who suffers from side boob,
would you buy it?
who's buying it? What is it?
You are so close. You're actually wildly good at this.
Oh. Oh. It's
called.
But you're supposed to wear this out? It's very risque.
It's called the Ta-Ta towel. And it's like a towel sling. I don't know why you need that. But maybe you want to, I don't know, line
But wait,
the sun and...
I have questions.
Yeah.
Is this for home use or do you rock this at the beach?
I don't know. I think mine are too small to fill it, so I haven't tried it.
So are mine. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
It could also be, you know. Okay, sorry.
Anybody got singles?
Family show. It's a family show. Okay.
Okay.
Is your pet monkey good at gymnastics? I don't know. I have no idea. Wait, let me just really think.
Right?
No, I have no idea.
It's called the Willow Walker, and it's for you to, I don't know,
Now I feel bad.
Walk your toddler. I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna need to explain that. Okay.
But somebody
But
made
you guys
a
are gonna
couple
love
bucks.
this if you're walking on the beach with your kid.
I don't know how to get to the wave, Dad. Yeah, what are you gonna do that?
I have the dirtiest brain, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to clean it up for morning TV. This is, I have no idea. I'm sorry, I suck at this. What is it?
It is a scalp massager, but I have no idea how or why.
Oh, scalp.
Scalp. I don't get it. All right, you got 1 out of 3.
This is a very hard game.
It's a very hard game.
I'm sorry.
Okay, but watch this seamless segue. You need no extra reason or sales pitch to watch Alex Inc.
Yes,
Wednesdays
thank
at 8:30 p.m. on ABC.
Thank you.
Because it's wildly well written and hilarious. Thank you, Zach.
Thank you so much.
Braff and Snap will be right back with Dr. Ian right after this.